Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to yet another video of multi-step inequalities in which we're going to be solving this problem down below. Okay guys, so let's begin. Guys, the first thing we have to remember when solving multi-step inequalities are actually that whenever we have a number and then a parenthesis, we're going to use the distributive property. We want to isolate the variable, right? So we want that, in this case, the value of n to be alone. Now, in order to do that, what we're going to do is that whatever number that is multiplying, we're going to pass it dividing. Whatever number is dividing n, we're going to move it to the other side multiplying. Whatever number is adding, we're going to move it subtracting. Whatever number is subtracting, we're going to move it to the other side dividing. Whatever we need to do in order to isolate the variable. Apart from that, you have to remember that if you multiply the inequality by a negative number, we actually have to reverse the sign of the inequality. After we get the value of n, we can actually graph that value. Okay, so let's begin. So in this case, we have minus 5n plus 6, and then we have minus 7 multiplied by a parenthesis. So we're going to distribute negative 7 on 5n and minus 6. So minus 5n plus 6 is going to be higher or equal to negative 7 times 5n is going to be minus 35n. Negative 7 multiplied by negative 6 is going to give us positive 42. And then we have minus 6n here, right? Now, in this case, we're going to move everything that has n, we're going to move it to the left side just for conveniency. And all the numbers, we're going to move them to the right, right? So in this case, we have minus 5n. We're going to move this 35 to the other side. So it's going to pass adding. And then this one is subtraction. So we're going to pass it adding as well. And that is going to be higher or equal to 42, right? Minus this 6, because this 6 is adding here. So when we move it to the other side, it's going to subtract. So minus 35, minus 5n plus 35n plus 6n, right? So minus 5 plus 35 is going to give us a value of plus 30. Plus 30 plus 6 is going to give us 36n. And that value is going to be higher or equal to 42 minus 6, which, as you know, is going to give us a value of 36. Now, because the 36 is multiplying n, whenever we want to move it to the other side, it's going to divide, right? So 36 divided by 36, which means that n is higher or equal to positive 1, right? So in this case, we didn't have to change the sign of the inequality. Now, in order to graph, we locate our 0, we locate our positive 1, and then because 1 is actually included because it's higher or equal, we're actually going to color this circle right here, and then we're going to move it to the right because all the numbers higher or equal to 1 are going to satisfy this inequality. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!